Christianity gi pautak ama oiriba ngakpiba amasung kauthokba haibasina yumfam oiraga lamdam asida tungkoina chatnagadauba tangdu leitaba fibam purakna bohona minasi haina Chief Minister Y Khemsana appeal tawkhre wafam asi ngarang Chief Minister na mauda chatluraba matung halakpagi lambida Kangpokpi District Headquarter da Church ki Luchingba Shinga unaba amada mahakna phungdokhibani Chief Minister na maudagi halakpagi lambida Kangpokpi District Headquarter da ngai hakpanduna Kuki Christian Forumgi banner Makhada District asida leiriba Tongan-Tonganba Church ki Luchingba Shinga unaduna Wari Sanakhre loinana memorandum amasu pishinkhi memorandum aduda palliba wafam singdi Church ki pastor ahum hat ki bayawna laikhidraba Kuki gi micham taramari ge chumba wayel fanghanbiu amadi mara leiba sing khangdokadabani loinana hojik sathariba economic blockade asina maram oiraga tangai fadana changba potlam kaya fangbada ware maruoina nupi angang ahalamal amadi lanjenariba miyamda chauba chaitheng fangli maramaduna mathau taba potlam sing fanghanaba economic blockade asi athubada loishinhanbiu haiba wafam sing memorandum aduda takshinkhi Nakalamaromda Church ki Luchingba Shinga unaba aduda Chief Minister Y Khemsana phungdokhibada Christian lining chatpa singi pautak ama oiriba ngakpiba amasung kauthokpa haibasida yumfam oiraga state asida tungkoina chatnagadauba tangdu leitaba fibam puraknaba hotnaminasi matam kuina irang tawrukpasina naha singda chauba chaitheng fangle maramaduna Tongan-Tonganba lining gi Luchingba singna chauba thaudang loduna naha singbu hingsa gi thawong kayadagi lapna lehenduna ingtapa puraknaba hotnaminasi lamdam asida tangdu leitaba puraktriba makhai nungshi chanabagi mari chetsinhanba ngamloi logi mathakta aikhoi kanana su leiba yade maramaduna michang mikhai naidaba mungda thokriba thaudok sing adugi achumba wayel fanghangani haina Chief Minister Y Khemsana thajaba pikhi
As far as my knowledge is concerned, Kuki, Naga, they're all Christians. After opening the first page of the Bible, it is written that forgive and forgiveness. Without a peaceful atmosphere, how should we develop our state? Although I may am not. Indaraga, Amana, Amubukanaraga, and peaceful atmosphere, Mapurakani, Hibasi, Aishuaman. Community Masen Kanaradi, Naha Singhi Wild. Then what about the younger generation? We have to think about it. And at the same time, we have to convince our youths. I try to convince the Meitei youths like anything. And let us pray to God that to restore peace is the only way to develop and our future of our young generation.